guys, how are you? What's up? Welcome on section 51. I am DozGeek and I am here on board this spaceship, the Bellérophon, to continue our long journey together in space, in the universe, talking about all these mysteries surrounding us, both on Earth and in space. So welcome to you. I invite you to discover this channel if you don't know section 51 yet, and if you are of course a subscriber, I am very pleased to see you back in this new video. Thank you again to all the subscribers and to all the people who follow us every week and on every video, for all your likes and all your sharings, all your comments. We read all your comments, even the troll comments. Today we have to deal with a new very interesting subject, a new very interesting case. This is the case of NASA's space probe that may have snapped large ancient ruins on Mars. So let's watch this together. Let's read this new article. Let me invite you to the web, and we will see this together right now. Okay, so we are back on the website of Ancient Files, newsintact.com. So as you can see, the pictures, the photos, NASA's photos, you can see the square shape when you zoom in the picture. NASA space probe snapped large ancient ruins on Mars, published on June the 19th of 2020. During its second voyage on the Red Planet, no, this is during its second voyage or journey on the Red Planet, the Mars Global Surveyor managed to capture some of the greatest pictures of the Red Planet than we have ever been allowed to see. The probe officially returned back to Earth on September the 11th of 1997, and with it came an influx of pictures of ancient rivers and meteor craters. But a certain picture was the talk of the town for all of tourists, ufologists and researchers alike. And you can see on the photo, when you zoom in, there is a strange shape. A very strange shape. Whether you believed in aliens prior to this incident or not doesn't matter, because the majority of people were converted in an instant upon gazing at this picture. As you can see, it appears to either to be the top of construction on Mars or the remnants of what used to be a building on the surface of Mars. What we do know for a fact is the fact that this isn't natural, because it's too symmetrical, to say the least. NASA confirmed the authenticity of this picture, stating that it is an actual picture that was taken on the surface of the Red Planet. Soon after this was made private to the community. However, the Mars Global Surveyor crashed and burned on November the 2nd of 2006 because of technical difficulties during its third mission to Mars. January the 7th came with an even more devastating announcement, as the program was cancelled altogether. Okay? So this is very interesting, this photo. Is it real? Is it true? Are they the ruins of ancient alien buildings on Mars? Let me show you another article also on the subject that may help us to see a part of light in the subject, in the field of all this. We are now on the website Deseret.com, Deseret News, and this is an article written on 1998 by Zach Van Eyck. A face isn't the only thing on Mars. If you study recent photographs taken by the Mars Global Surveyor, Richard Hoagland is convinced you will find evidence of an entire ancient civilization. So this is an old article before the years 2000. It was in 1998, and even in 1998 people were talking about ancient civilization on Mars. The remains of a city, eroded tetrahedrons, rows of what appear to be abutments or foundation supports and other regular geometric forms. They are all there, whether NASA wants to admit it or not. The controversial scientist and former NASA consultant said during a lecture Saturday at the University of Utah. Craters are not six-sided, and the asteroids who make them don't know how to land on pedestals, Hoagland said of one hexagonally shaped feature found in Mars' 25-mile-long Cydonia region. It's very apparent that we are not looking at natural structure or primitive Egyptian stuff, but very high-tech stuff. A stunning civilization that's been left in ruin for millions of years. Hoagland, who advanced the face on Mars theory after the Viking orbiter's now famous photos of the Cydonia region in 1976, is even more confident in his belief now that the Global Surveyor has returned 3 new photographs of Cydonia. The public at large, however, may believe the case is closed and that the face is nothing but a naturally occurring geological formation thanks to the surveyor's first photo of the region released to media worldwide early last month. That photo was taken at a different angle than the original Viking photos, and subsequent surveyor pictures maintain the integrity of the face theory, Hoagland said. But unfortunately for Hoagland and those working with him to expose what they say in clear evidence of a past Martian civilization, the first picture was the only one many people saw. NASA simply made it such a lousy picture that no one will trust any assessments made on that data, Hoagland said during his 5.5-hour talk. The NASA photos and Hoagland's interpretation can be viewed on his website www.enterprisemission.com. Hoagland also believes the first surveyor photo was altered by NASA and says he can prove it. Other independent researchers found objects in the photo that clearly would not be found on Mars, he said. He believes those objects were planted by NASA insiders who knew the photo was faked but wanted to leave a trail of evidence. He has shown the objects to major media outlets including the Associated Press, USA Today, The Washington Post, Time and Newsweek, he said, but so far none has been willing to go public with the information. He said anyone is capable of finding the objects in the first surveyor photo of the face. Hoagland wants NASA to continue shooting the Cydonia region. It soon will have an opportunity to take 12 more shots of Cydonia, one every 9 days, as the surveyor orbits the planet, he said. He also wants NASA to send a manned mission to Mars, where he believes they would find a vast collection of artifacts, perhaps information that will improve the human condition underneath the rubble of Cydonia. I think he knows what he's talking about, said Corinne Sherrington, 19 of Provo, one of about 200 people who paid up to $19.50 a ticket to see Hoagland's computer-aided lecture. I think he's done a lot of research and I hope he proves NASA wrong. There were no apparent critics in the crowd. I can see how it's hard for some people to see what he's talking about, but if you have some background on it, it's easy to see, said Chris Gobatz, a freshman at the university who recently took a physics class on the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. John Wilson, a Vietnam veteran from American Fork, said his military experience made him more than skeptical of official information handed out by the government. He said he believes Hoagland is onto something. Hoagland also showed video taken from a shuttle mission in December 1996. The footage shows a missile-like white object twisting into the atmosphere from Santiago. Chile then shows numerous apparent UFOs in the sky above Chile, including some that appear to blink on and off. NASA isn't talking about that footage, Hoagland said. And do we have comments? No, there are no comments on the article. But that's very interesting, and that gives me the need to dig more the subject, to make more research, to find more pictures, more photos of Mars, to check if we can find some ruins of ancient civilizations on Mars. The page of Richard C. Hoagland. Okay, so let's get back to our article and to our photo, the photo of the day. Yes, very interesting. And you guys, what do you think of this? Are there really ruins on Mars, ruins of ancient civilization on Mars? Is it an alien civilization that was here thousands and thousands of years before we can take pictures of Mars? And if it's true, if there are really ruins of ancient civilization on Mars, what are the reasons, what could have been the origin of the disappearing of all this ancient civilization? That's very intriguing. And don't forget to share if you have some stuff. Don't forget to share with us some known photos of ruins like this on Mars, don't forget to you can share them on the Facebook page of Section 51 when in order to see to discover all this together, because once again I'm very curious about all this, and I'm sure like you that NASA doesn't tell us all the things happening in space. They don't show us all the stuff that they have. I'm sure that they analyze, they study the most part of the stuff they have before giving us to the public. What is sure is that we have still a lot of stuff, a lot of things to discover about the history of Mars. Maybe one day we will have the chance to watch on TV or on the internet, to watch these new human colonies on Mars or on the Moon. And of course, once these colonies will be settled on these places, I'm sure that we will have some videos and pictures which will be leaked and be shared on the social networks, and all these new proofs on all these new photos will come to confirm this theory of ancient civilization on Mars or on the Moon, maybe also. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please leave us your comments, your point of view in the comment section of the video. I'm very curious to know what you think of this. As usual, don't forget to like, to share the video and to subscribe to Section 51. You can also visit our Facebook page Section 51 and our Spreadshirt shop on section of the Spreadshirt shop of Section 51. You have all the links in the description of the channel. This was DozGeek on Section 51. It was cool to spend this new moment with you. As usual, live long and prosper. Keep opening your eyes, keep watching at the sky, keep watching at Mars, and of course keep watching our videos on Section 51. Stay safe until the next video. I will meet you in a new video very soon on Section 51. Bye!